Good morning guys! Welcome! It's Jacob's birthday celebration begins.
Yo!
Welcome to my vlog. We're going somewhere. Hello Jacob! Happy birthday again. We're going somewhere guys.
We're
Yes,
going
where
outside the
we're going.
house.
Dito lang guys sa Ontario. And then we'll stay there for 4 days.
In 3 nights.
Fun.
Yes.
4 days and 3 nights. So, dala namin yung aming mga gadgets.
Yes.
Karaoke ng asawa ko, number 1. Hindi mawawala yan. Okay guys, see you around.
See you around, Joy. Enjoy.
Enjoy guys, see you around guys. Marami kaming mga activities.
Pasabog.
Pasabog. Okay, bye. location, guys. We stop in this Midas. It's Midas. We need to repair our car. Probably to change the map here, guys. Welcome to Midas Corner.
Tip from Tim Hortons, guys.
Another job for my hubby. He's working here now, guys. Just to prepare the coffee and tea for the clients.
This is steep tip.
We stop here in Midas, guys. I don't know what's going on with our car.
No, it's exhaust problem.
Oh, by the way, guys, hindi pala hindi muffler, right? Hindi tambucho. What's the problem, man?
No, it's exhaust also.
Okay. So this is another expenses, guys. We need to throw
It
this car
happens.
now.
No, it's still working.
It's too old.
Yeah. So
I think we need the new car now, guys.
it's more expensive.
Let's see if we're gonna win the lottery tomorrow evening. Okay, thanks for watching. We're here in Midas. So magdi-dinner na kami, guys, dito. First dinner. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Welcome to Switzerland. Let's go, guys. First dinner namin dito. Tony ginger ale with lemonade is the best.
Ano siya, nirecruit siya ng Sacramento Kings naglaro ng summer league na yun.
Drop. Cheers. Cheers,
Kasi
cheers.
Lasal, ano siya eh,
You got cheers.
Lasal graduate siya eh.
Cheers. Tap na tayo, sabay-sabay. Cheers. We go, guys. This is our order. My husband.